Hello everyone, Sarah. Today we are going to start our next method. After completing substitution method, today we are going to start with elimination method. The word elimination, word itself says eliminate means to remove, nikal dena. So here in this method, what we are going to do, for any pair of linear equation, either I have to remove the term with x or with the term with variable y. दो में से एक को हमें एलिमिनेट कर देना है, so that we'll get the value of one variable, and from that one variable it is possible to find the another variable. So let us see how to solve this given three pairs of linear equation in two variables by what? Elimination method. So let me try to explain you this one. So the first step, basic will remain same, that always we have to check whether the given equation has unique solution or not. a1 upon a2 should be not equal to what? b1 upon b2. If these two are not equal, then only it is possible to find their solution. So let's check for the first one. Here what is a1? It's 1. What is a2? It's 2. What is b1? It's 1. What is b2? It's -3. So are they equal? No, they are not equal. As they are not equal, it is possible to find the solution for this equation. For each and every method, whether it is a substitution, elimination or cross multiplication, the first basic thing we have to start from here. So let's try to understand this one. From this equation, suppose here if you see, here it's plus y and here it is minus y. So it's quite easy to eliminate this. Now how to eliminate this equation? Let me write down first equation again. X plus y equals to 5. Say this is equation 1. And second equation is 2x minus 3y equals to 4. Say this is equation 2. Now I have to make the coefficient equal. या तो मुझे यहाँ पे 2x कर देना है इसे, या तो इधर मुझे 3y कर देना है. If I make the coefficient same, then it is possible to eliminate it. So here in this sum, what I am going to do, I am going to multiply this first equation. I am going to multiply this first equation by what? 3. Now why I am multiplying with this 3? So if I multiply it by 3, 3 into x, it's what? 3x. 3 into y is plus 3y. 3 into 5, it's what? 15. Now keep this equation as it is. So 2x minus 3y equals to 4. तो मैंने सिर्फ एक ही इक्वेशन को मल्टीप्लाई किया. ऐसा क्यों किया हमने? बिकॉज हियर इट्स अ 3y, हियर इट इज -3y. दोनों के कोएफिशिएंट सेम हो गए. नाउ वंस द कोएफिशिएंट्स आर इक्वल, इट इज पॉसिबल टू एलिमिनेट इट. वी कैन मल्टीप्लाई दिस इक्वेशन बाय 2 आल्सो और 3 आल्सो. सो हियर आई मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 3 बिकॉज हियर इट इज अ प्लस y प्लस 3y, हियर इट इज -3y. तो ये ऐसे ही बाय एडिंग बोथ द इक्वेशन. So add equation 1 and 2. For this we have to write down a statement. Here we have to write down one statement, that is multiply equation 1 by 3. This statement you have to write multiply equation 1 by 3. Then we have to write 3 into x, 3x, 3 into y, 3y, 3 into 5, 15. Write down the second equation as it is. 2x minus 3y equals to 4. हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है? कोएफिशिएंट को सेम करना. यहाँ पे दोनों कोएफिशिएंट सेम हो गए, तो जरूरी नहीं है दोनों इक्वेशन को मल्टीप्लाई करना. सो ये आई मल्टीप्लाई विथ ओनली वन इक्वेशन. नाउ एड बोथ द इक्वेशन. इट्स 15 plus 4, it's what? 19. Plus 3y minus 3y, it's what? 0. 3x plus 2x, it's what? 5x. If nothing is there, means 0. So here I got plus or minus, anything you can write. So I can write 5x equals to 19. So x equals to 19 upon 5. So this is the value of what? X. One solution I got. Now we got many questions here. 3 questions I got. This is the first one, second, and this is the third. So replace this value 19 by 5 in any of this equation. कोई भी इक्वेशन हमें रिप्लेस करना है. So better I'm going to multiply, I'm going to use this here in first equation. From equation 1, so x plus 5 equals to what? So x plus y equals to 5. Now instead of x, replace this value, that is what? 19 upon 5 plus y equals to 5. Y equals to 5 minus 19 by 5 will move that side. 19 upon 5. What is the LCM? Nothing is there, means 1. LCM क्या मिला? 5. So 5 will multiply both the fraction here also and here also. 5 5 is a 25. 5 will cancel this. This 5 and 5 get cancelled. So minus 19. 25 minus 19 is what? 6 upon 5. So this is the way we got both the solution x and y. So the new thing what you have to learn in this method is what? Which number you have to multiply to make it easier. So if we solve 2 or 3 examples, you are able to understand which number we are multiplying. Let's start with second question. Here it's 3x plus 4y equals to 10, 2x minus 2y equals to 2. So if you look at both the coefficient, here it is what? 3, here it is 2, this is 4 and this is 2. So it is possible to convert this 2 into what? 4. ये 2 को हम क्या बना सकते हैं? 4. By multiply second equation by what? 2. अगर मैं second equation को 2 से multiply करूँगा तो ये 2 क्या बन जाएगा? 4. So that we can eliminate this y and y term. So write down here, multiply equation, say this is what? 2 and say this is 1. Multiply equation 2 by 2. So this 2x becomes what? 4x, 2y becomes 4y and 2 2s are 4. And this equation as it is. Now if you look at this, both the coefficient of y are same, so it is possible to eliminate them. Here 4 and 3. To eliminate this one, plus minus 4 plus 4 get cancelled. This is get cancelled. 4x plus 3y is how much? 7x. 4 plus 10 is what? 14. So 7x equals to 14. So we can write 14 upon 7, x equals to 2. So what is important here? How you are going to convert both the coefficient same? Suppose if I want to make here x coefficient same, अगर मुझे x के coefficient को same करना होता, then I have to multiply both the equation. So better to always multiply only one equation to get the same equation. दोनों के coefficient को same लाने के लिए better है हमेशा एक equation को multiply करना. If it is required, then we have to multiply it by both the equation. Now replace this value of x in any of the equation. Let's replace in the second equation. From equation 2, 2x. Now instead of x, I am going to write this 2 as it is. Now instead of x, it's 2 minus 2y equals to 2. So minus 2y, 2, this 2 2s are 4, 4 will move that side, minus 4. So minus 2y equals to what? Minus 2, minus minus get cancelled. So y equals to what? 2 upon 2. So y equals to 1. So these are the solution of the second pair of linear equation. What is our always objective? To make both the coefficient same. या तो x का coefficient same कर देना या तो y का, by multiplying with any of the number. So let's start with the third one. First of all, if you look at the equation 3x minus 5y minus 4 equals to 0, first of all write down in a proper way, or in short 3x minus 5y. If I take this minus 4 on that side, this is what? 4. Now this is not in standard form, so what I'll do, I'll take this minus 2 on this side. So 9x minus 2y equals to what? 7. So here I just change the form. 2y को इधर लेके आया and minus 4 को उधर ले गया. So I got the equation in a normal form. Now if you want to check here, a1 upon a2, it's 3 upon 9, and here it is what? Minus 5 upon minus 2. So definitely they are not equal. So now here we want to solve with the same method. Now here it is 3, here it is 9. 9 को तो हम 3 नहीं बना सकते, but it is possible to make this 3 into what? 9 by multiplying this equation by 3. If I say this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. To first equation I am going to multiply it by what? 3. अगर 3 से multiply करूँगा तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? 9. और suppose if you want to eliminate y, अगर मुझे y को eliminate करना हो, then I have to multiply both the equation. How? I am going to multiply this equation by what? पहले equation को किससे multiply करूँगा? I am going to multiply by 2. 2 into 5 it becomes 10, and this equation I am going to multiply by 5. 5 2s are 10. तो ये दोनों 10y हो जाएंगे. But दो इक्वेशन को मल्टीप्लाई करने से अच्छा है जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई ओनली वन इक्वेशन. सो वी आर गोइंग टू कंसीडर फर्स्ट कंडीशन ओनली, दैट इज हम कोई भी नंबर को, कोई भी वेरिएबल को एलिमिनेट कर सकते हैं. सो बेटर आई एम गोइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. मल्टीप्लाई इक्वेशन 1 बाय 3. 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करने से क्या हो जाएगा? 9x minus 15y, 3 4s are 12. Second, 7. Write down the second equation as it is. 9x minus 2y equals to 7. Now, here you are going to learn new thing. Unlike the previous two example, here it is a plus 9. Here also it's plus 9. So what? It is not possible to cancel them. In last two sums what we have done, we just add both the equation. Now what I am going to do, I am going to subtract both the equation. अगर मुझे subtract करना है, then I have to change the sign. This plus 9 becomes what? Minus. This minus 2 becomes what? Plus. And this plus 7 equals to what? Minus. मैंने तीनों का साइन चेंज किया. Not of this first equation, of second equation. Minus 9x plus 2y and minus y. What does it mean? Now the sign of this minus 2y is what? Plus. Now the sign of this 9x is what? Minus. Now plus 9 minus 9 get cancelled. Plus minus 15 plus 2. Minus 15 plus 2 equals what? Minus 13. So I am going to write here minus 30y. 12 minus 7. Greater number sign. So it's what? Plus 5. 12 is greater, so it's positive 5. So minus y equals to 5 upon 13. Change the sign. Y equals to minus 5 upon 13. So we got the value of y. Now replace this value in any of the equation. Either equation 1, 2 or this 3. So let's replace this value in equation 1. From equation 1. 3 as it is. Now instead of x also as it is, because I know the value of y. Minus 5 instead of y, it's minus 5 upon 13 equals to 4. Therefore 3x. Now this minus minus plus 25 upon 13 equals to 4. 3x 4. If I take this fraction over this side, minus 25 upon 13. 13 4s are 13 into 4 is 26, 26, 52. 52 minus 25. जैसे हम नॉर्मली करते हैं ना, जो भी एलसीएम आएगा multiply both the fraction. Here 13 get cancelled, 25 as it is, 13 4s are 52, and here it is 3x. So 3x equals to 52 minus 25, it's 27 upon 13. So x equals to 27. ये जो 3 है नीचे जाएगा तो डिनोमिनेटर में 3 into 13. So cancel this. 3 how many times? 9s are. So the final answer which we got, that is x equals to 9 upon 13. So this is the way we can solve question number 3. Now last example left of exercise to solve by elimination. Let me explain last two sum. Now when equation is given in fraction form, first convert them into standard form. To convert them into standard form, here it's 2 and 3, so LCM is what? Definitely 6. 6 is the LCM. So assume that 6 is multiply both the fraction. So 2 how many times 6? 2 3s are. So 3 into x, it's 3x. 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4y equals to minus 1, I think. It's minus 1 in the question. So now I can write here 3x plus 4y equals to minus 6. Similarly here, what is the LCM here? LCM is 3. We can't take this 3 directly here because if nothing is there means 1. And because of minus sign in between or plus sign in between, we can't take this 3 directly here. So first of all, we have to take out the LCM. 3 into x, 3x minus y. So 3 into 3 is what? 3x minus y equals to 9. Say this is equation 1 and this one equation 2. Now if you compare both the equation, already here in both the equation, their coefficients are equal. X के coefficient पहले से equal है. So no need to multiply any of the equation with any number. Directly we are going to subtract the equation. Why we are going to subtract? Because both have same sign. So write down first equation 3x 4y minus 6 and this is 3x minus y equals to 9. As I told you, subtract means we have to change the sign. Plus 3x becomes minus, minus becomes plus, plus sign becomes minus. So plus 3x minus 3x get cancelled, plus 4y plus y is what? 5y, and this is what? Minus 15. So y equals to minus 15 upon 5, y equals to minus 3. So this is the way we got the answer of solution for y. Now to find the value of x, replace in any of the equation. I am going to replace in second one 3x as it is, instead of y minus this minus sign over here. Now instead of y I am going to write minus 3. So minus 3 equals to 9. So 3x equals to minus minus plus 3 equals to 9. 9. If I take this 3 over that side, it's minus 3. 3x equals to 6. X equals to 6 upon 3. Therefore, x equals to 2. So this is the way we got the solution for x and y. Look at both the numbers. It's 9, 7. 9 upon 7, 4 upon 3. Definitely they are not equal. So it has unique solution. Now which number I am going to, how we are going to make them equal? Here 9 is 7. This is what? 4 and 3. So here in this case I have to multiply both the numbers. Both the equation. Say this is equation 1 and say this equation is what? 2. I am going to multiply this first equation by 3. If I multiply this first equation by 3, 3 4s are what? 12. and the second equation I'm going to multiply by 4 because this 4 into 3 is what? 12. तो दोनों y वाले टर्म क्या हो जाएंगे? 12. So let's write down the statement. Multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 4. तो पहले इक्वेशन को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. इक्वेशन बिकम्स व्हाट? 3 9s are 27x, 3 4s are 12y, 3 into 2000, 2000 into 3 is what? 6000. Similarly, 4 into 7 is what? 28x, 4 3s are minus 12, 4 into 2000 is what? 8000. Now those who are thinking why in this one we multiply both the equation, not in the previous one, because by multiplying any number here, इस इक्वेशन को कोई भी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे वो 3 या 7 में कन्वर्ट नहीं होगा. सिमिलरली इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई एनी ऑफ दिस नंबर आइदर एक्स टर्म और वाई टर्म, कोई भी नंबर 9 भी नहीं होगा, 4 भी नहीं होगा. सो वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई बोथ द इक्वेशन. सो हियर साइन आर सेम. Whenever the sign are same, we have to subtract the equation. So this is what? Minus plus 28 becomes minus, minus becomes plus, and this plus 8000 is what? Minus 8000. साइन कब चेंज करना है? जब दोनों टर्म के साइन सेम हो. If they are already different, then no need to change the sign. Just like our first two examples. So minus 28 plus 27, greater number sign, so minus x, plus 12 minus 12 is get cancelled, 0. 8000 minus 6000, sign of 8000 is what? Minus, so greater number sign, minus 2000. So directly you got the answer, x equals to 2000. Now replace this value anywhere in the equation, either in 1, 2 or 3, 4, anywhere you get the same answer. But always better to replace in the smallest or simplest equation. So I'm going to multiply here in second one. From second equation, 7, instead of x I'm going to write 2000. Write down here from equation 2, minus 3y equals to 2000. Now what next? Definitely it's minus 3y, it's 2000. 7 2s are 14, 14,000 will move that side, so minus 14,000. 2000 into 7 14,000, 14,000 वहाँ पे गया तो माइनस हो गया, so minus 3y, 14,000 minus 2,000 is minus 12,000. Negative negative sign get cancelled, so y equals to 12,000 upon 3. So 12,000 upon 3 means definitely 3 will cancel this. 12 4 times and 3 0. So what is the value of y? It's 4000. So this is the way we got the values of x and y. So this is what we are going. This is the way we are going to solve linear pair of equation by elimination method.